So here are the seedlings that we are going to be planting. I went to my local Walmart and picked up a few. These were all under $4 a piece. The one I have here, the first one, is going to be some Bonnie Green Bell sweet bell peppers. Then I've got here some Better Boy hybrid tomatoes. I've got some of those, and then got another one of those Better Boy hybrid tomatoes, and then some orange, LunchBox Orange sweet snacking peppers. So I'm not a gardener at all. This is just something that I basically decided to do with me and my sons and my family since the weather is warming up. So we're going to be going outside here in a moment to show you the little area that we're going to be planting these after we prepare them. So let's go on outside. So I've got quite a big yard here that we are working on, and I couldn't decide where I wanted to plant, but now I think what I'm going to do, this doesn't look like much right now, but in my plan, we're going to have some tomatoes right up in here growing on the fence. I'm going to do some on the fence type of tomatoes without a cage, and some other plants and vegetables. Put some patio chairs out here, and we'll have a nice view. And then I can also watch the kids play. And these trees will get quite a few leaves on them during the spring and summer, creating a very nice shady area around here. So this one is going to be just short and sweet. All we're doing today is cleaning out the leaves and the sticks that have accumulated from the different rains and windstorms and stuff we've had this winter. So yeah, we will come right back. We're going to start cleaning and raking this area up. Ew.
Launch it.
No.
Nature.
Ew, gross. Yeah, why don't we sit our little friend softly down right here. Down here where it can be. There you go. Now he's safe and not in my garden area. So we have accomplished the main thing that we wanted to for today. And it looks very good, especially considering what it looked like when we started. We basically wanted to clear out most of the weeds, the leaves. We've raked all of those over here. And so we've got a pretty solid area right up in here for us to use. Over the next couple days, we're going to come through and kind of grind up some more of these roots, make it more, aerate the dirt and try to get some nutrients in here. I'll probably get some compost. You know, we don't have any fancy equipment. It's just me and my son out here working by hand. So we're going to be just using some hand tools and getting to work. Yeah, so this will be vlog number 1. And I will be keeping you guys informed as we go along. So thank you for watching.